You know that feeling when a leak actually answers your real questions instead of just teasing a color name? This time, the iPhone 18 Pro shades didn't leak as vague swatches. They showed up on the actual camera island metal. And one finish, dark cherry, already looks like the next trend everyone else will chase. Here's what we're hearing. 4 colors for the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max: dark gray, dark cherry, silver, and light blue. Earlier, we only saw a basic color chart. Now the shades are shown on the camera island itself, which matters more than people think. If you've ever bought a Pro model because it looks premium, you know the camera bump is the signature. It's the part everyone sees when the phone's face down, inside a clear case, or in your hand. That metal surface changes dramatically depending on texture and light. Let's start simple. Silver is reportedly almost identical to the iPhone 17 Pro Silver. Clean, reflective, timeless. It's the safe luxury pick, the one that says top model without trying too hard. It works with any case, any setting, any lighting. Dark gray is the stealth option. Many people wanted a deeper tone last time, and this could finally be it. Done right, it'll feel minimal and professional, and it hides wear better than lighter finishes. It also photographs extremely well if resale matters to you. Light blue is the curveball. Think MacBook Air light blue. Soft, airy, premium in daylight. Not loud, not playful, just refined. In bright light, it could pop beautifully, while in low light, it may almost fade away. That subtle balance could surprise people. Now, dark cherry. This is the one getting attention. Described as a deep red wine tone. Elegant, slightly maroon, far darker than typical bright reds. It likely appears nearly black until light hits it, revealing that rich red undertone that makes you look twice. It's expected to replace cosmic orange as the hero shade. And based on past trends, once Apple sets a refined color direction, other brands quickly follow. Early polls reflect that excitement too. Nearly half of voters chose dark cherry as their favorite. Dark gray came in around 20%, light blue near 16%, silver just over 4%, and about 11% weren't impressed by any of them. But Apple's real strength isn't the color name, it's how the finish behaves in real-world lighting. Personally, I usually stick with black. It's simple and timeless, but dark cherry feels different. Bold without being loud, professional without being boring. Imagine that tone paired with a future iPhone 20 Pro design, rumored to remove display cutouts entirely. That combination would look next level. Now, let's talk substance. The iPhone 18 Pro Max could carry Apple's largest battery yet, around 5100 to 5200 milliamps. Pair that with a more efficient A20 Pro chip, and you're looking at bigger capacity plus smarter power use. There is a trade-off. The Pro Max could measure around 8.75 to 8.8 millimeters thick and weigh roughly 240 grams. You'll feel that in hand. Some won't like it. Others will gladly accept it for a phone that lasts through heavy use with power left at night. On cameras, variable aperture is the headline rumor. If true, you'd gain manual control over how much light hits the sensor, influencing depth of field more directly. Add possible wider apertures, a stacked Samsung sensor, 48 megapixel triple cameras, and a 24 megapixel front upgrade, and things get serious. Meanwhile, the standard iPhone 18 may see manufacturing downgrades to align closer with the 18e. Differences could involve display tech, brightness, cameras, battery, or internal components. Pro models launch in September. Standard models may follow later. So now tell me, which color are you actually choosing, and why?